The story of an amazing store. Each time you visit your local grocery chain, you are amazed by their efficiency. From breakfast cereals to organic produce and discount promotions, they know what products and deals you would go for. It is almost as if the in-store marketing is customized for you. They even send you promotions of your interest through SMS and emails. Have you ever wondered how they know what you need? This is what happens in the background. The grocery chain has a team that analyzes CCTV footage. They analyze routes you take to navigate through the store, the particular places you halt most. This helps them select the optimal spot to place promotional messaging, thus enhancing in-store marketing. Similarly, the kind of products you buy, your brand preferences, etc., are also monitored. That is why the store always gets it right and is able to promote the right products to you. This data collected is usually from various sources and in different formats: videos, voices, images, and numbers. To make such personalized recommendations, the data from the different sources have to be extracted, prepared, integrated, and then analyzed. Let's us understand these different types of big data. Learning objectives. At the end of this video, you should be able to 1. Describe the types of big data. 2. Identify the usage of big data across industries. Types of big data. Data can be classified based on 2 parameters. Per their source, they are of 2 types: data from internal sources and from external sources. On the other hand, if we classify them per format, there can be 3 categories: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Let's explore more. Some data is obtained from internal sources. Examples are customer relationship management, or CRM software, ERP systems, or organizational data including product or sales data. This data is mostly ready to use. On the other hand, data received from syndicate data suppliers, blogs, social media, market research organizations are considered as data from external sources. They may not be ready to use. Have you ever wondered why some data are ready for use and some are not? If the data has a repeating pattern, which makes it easier for any program to sort, read, and process, it can be termed as structured data. For example, the grocery bill lists the products you buy in a specific format with product IDs, quantities, numbers, price, etc. Some data are inconsistent, and they are received from different formats such as video, text, image, etc. Naturally, they have little or no predetermined form. These are unstructured data. The CCTV footage that we were talking about mostly provides unstructured data. The third category is called semi-structured data. It is a form of structured data that contains tags or markup elements. These help in organizing and analyzing the data to a certain extent. The web server logs of the grocery chain, which stores information about a customer's searches and shopping, may be called semi-structured data. Big data is made of these various types of data. Business uses of big data. Big data, as you just saw, can make a well of information available to businesses. With analysis of big data, you can understand your target customers better, cut down expenditure, increase operating margin, and save billions of dollars with operational efficiency. Technologies such as predictive analysis, behavioral analytics, and data interpretation are some common analytical approaches that help organizations to refine the data for intelligent use. Analytical approaches associated with big data. Businesses use predictive analytics to make possible evaluations like: how is a business using available data for predictive and real-time analysis across their different domains? How can a business avail benefits from the unstructured enterprise data? How a business can leverage upon new types of data, such as sentiment data, social media, clickstream, and multimedia. Businesses use behavioral analytics to make possible evaluations, like how will a business leverage complex data in order to create new models for driving business outcomes, decreasing business costs, driving innovation in business strategy, improving overall customer satisfaction, and improving conversion of an audience to a customer. Businesses use data interpretation to make possible evaluations like what new business analysis can be estimated from the available data, which data should be analyzed for new product innovation. Now, let us look at some examples of how businesses use big data. Big data application areas. Almost every industry and businesses today use and benefit from big data analytics in multiple ways. When analyzed successfully, data can provide the answer to an important question. How can businesses acquire more customers and gain business insight? Businesses use CRM and data from other sources, such as social media data, to generate information about customer feedback on products or services. This data is huge and qualifies as big data. This data is analyzed and the insights gained are used to make business decisions or improve or modify their products and services. Businesses also use big data analytics to hire people by analyzing the profiles or resumes that professionals upload on job portals. It helps businesses filter and analyze the data to select the right candidates. Other industries such as travel, education, healthcare, and also governments use the big data technology to reap benefits. The travel industry applies big data analytics to pricing, inventory, and advertising to improve customer experiences, which leads to more customer satisfaction and hence more business. In education, teachers use big data to analyze students' ability to comprehend and thus impart education effectively in accordance with each student's needs. In healthcare, physicians use big data to determine the best clinical protocols to ensure the best health outcome for patients at specific locations. Governments use big data to make informed decisions for fraud management, discover unknown threats, ensure security of global supply chain by monitoring global cargo traffic, use budgets more judiciously, analyze risks, and lots more. Let's recall. Now that you have an overview of the structure, business applications in big data, see if you can answer this question. If you have selected Downloaded Group Chat File, you are right. Downloaded group chat files can be called unstructured data, while data obtained from ERP and CRM are structured data. Let's do a quick recap of what you've learned in this session. Big data can be classified as internal or external based on their sources. Similarly, they can be classified as structured, unstructured, and semi-structured based on their formats. Every industry sector can benefit from the big data analysis.